Currently, I'm running successful Performance Max campaign with 26 conversions per day. Very good. Should I also run remarketing campaign? If yes, then how frequently should I run it? Is it okay to run PMAX and remarketing campaigns simultaneously? Okay, so first of all, well done. You're getting 26 conversions per day. Now, I don't know what your goals are. If you're aiming for 10 conversions a day and you're getting 26, then really well done. But if you are aiming for 200 and you're getting 26, so you're not quite there, but you're on the way. So first of all, a number like this, 26 conversions a day, doesn't mean anything because it really depends on the account. You should always run remarketing campaigns, whether it is PMAX or video or display, because you are going after those visitors who have shown interest, have engaged with you. So whether they have visited your website and not converted, or whether they have viewed a video or one of your video ads or a video on your YouTube channel and so on, you've got to retarget. The reason why I go live like these sessions and also upload videos regularly is I'm building up my remarketing list, because on YouTube, when somebody views a video, I can remarket to them whenever I want. So if I have an offer tomorrow and I need to push it out to my audience, I can do that at will. The second best thing, or another way to reach your audience, is of course an email list, which is also highly recommended. But email marketing is obviously completely different to what we are talking about over here. So yes, remarketing is always, and you can run remarketing list as a Performance Max campaign as well. Put all your assets, the same assets, or it could be a different one. Because look, with remarketing, you need to be a bit creative and clever. If the person or the visitor did not convert on that first offer, sending them back to that same place or with the same offer is not going to increase that conversion. Yes, they might have to log off because the boss came into the office, or they had to leave and they got busy and so on. So it reminds them that, you are still there. Please sign up or buy my product or whatever. For e-commerce websites, of course, dynamic remarketing is absolutely critical. And Amazon was one of the first companies to start dynamic remarketings, and look where they are now, because they really did remarket very aggressively. And by aggressively, you don't want to be annoying. Like every time you go online, the ad pops up, the same company or the same person's ads pop up. So you need to keep a fine balance between how many times you show your ads per day.